Welcome to our latest video on the Complete PCB Recycling Process, a step-by-step guide to efficiently recover valuable materials from electronic waste. Did you know that recycling PCBs not only prevents environmental harm but also unlocks valuable resources like copper, gold, and nonmetals? Let's dive into the process. Step 1. Electronic components depopulation. The process begins by removing components from the circuit board using a specialized depopulation machine. This machine ensures efficient separation of components from the PCB for further processing. Step 2. Electronic components screening. Next, components of different sizes are sorted through a screening machine. This makes subsequent processing easier and more accurate. Step 3. Magnetic separation. In this step, a magnetic separator is used to extract components containing iron. This ensures better sorting of ferrous and non-ferrous materials for downstream processing. Step 4. AI Intelligent Sorting System. Here's where technology takes center stage. Using our advanced AI-powered sorting machine, components are separated by type, allowing easier processing for valuable metals like gold, silver, and palladium. This step significantly improves the efficiency of precious metal recovery. Step 5. Crushing, separation of bare motherboards. With the clean motherboards left behind, we crush and separate them through shredding, pulverizing, and advanced airflow and electrostatic separation. This results in two primary outputs: metals like copper, nonmetals like resin, fiber, powder. These materials can then be reused in various industries, contributing to a circular economy. Step 6. Precious metal extraction. Finally, we move to the most lucrative step: precious metal recovery. This step involves two processes: gold stripping, deplating. Valuable metals like gold are removed from components; chemical extraction, refining these stripped metals into pure gold, silver, or other high-value materials. For newcomers to PCB recycling, we recommend starting with Step 1 and Step 5. The depopulated components can be sold directly without additional processing. As your business grows, you can integrate optional steps like AI sorting and precious metal extraction to expand your operation. Then, why invest in PCB recycling? The demand for PCB recycling is skyrocketing. With the ever-growing e-waste crisis, recycling is not just environmentally responsible but also a profitable venture. By extracting valuable metals and materials, you can turn waste into wealth while contributing to global sustainability. If you're interested in setting up a PCB recycling operation or upgrading your existing process, we've got you covered with complete and customizable solutions. Feel free to contact us to learn more. Together, let's build a greener future with smarter recycling technologies. Like, subscribe, and contact us for more insights into e-waste recycling solutions.